Ever wonder why your knuckles make that cracking sound? Inside your joints, there's a fluid called synovial fluid. This fluid helps your bones move smoothly, like oil in a machine. When you stretch or bend your fingers, pressure inside the joint changes. That pressure drop causes tiny gas bubbles in the fluid to burst. That's the sound you hear. Not bones breaking, just bubbles popping. And no, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. That's a myth. So next time you crack your knuckles, remember, it's just bubble wrap for your joints. Follow for more everyday science explained simply.